Hey everybody, JR from JR's Cars. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change interval light on your 2013 Ford Escape. So stay tuned. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to get in the car, shut all the doors, put the key in and turn it to the run position. And then what you're going to do, you're going to see that oil change required light there. You're going to put your foot down to the floor on the gas pedal, and you're going to press the brake pedal at the same time, and you're going to hold them. And then you'll see, just continue to hold them until it says that it's completed. You see that it's the, you'll get the message saying that the oil reset's in progress. Continue to hold down on the gas and the brake pedal. And there it is. The reset's complete. You're good to go. And that oil interval light will go off until the next time you change your oil. I hope it helped you out. If it did, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and comment down below and share with your friends. I hope everybody's staying safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.